As the seasons change, ensuring healthy indoor air quality is essential in reducing the spread of common respiratory viruses. The Environmental Protection Agency and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention provide updated guidance for maintaining safer indoor environments. By addressing ventilation, filtration, and various administrative controls, organizations can adopt a multi-layered approach to minimize virus transmission in enclosed spaces. Respiratory viruses such as influenza, RSV, and the virus responsible for COVID-19 spread easily indoors due to proximity between individuals and increased viral concentration in the air. According to the EPA, Americans spend about 90% of their time indoors, where viral particles are more likely to accumulate. Each year, respiratory viruses contribute to millions of illnesses and thousands of hospitalizations in the U.S. alone. Recognizing these risks, both the EPA and CDC recommend taking comprehensive steps to improve air quality and reduce viral exposure, especially during periods of heightened disease transmission. The CDC and EPA advocate for a layered approach, combining ventilation, air filtration, supplemental air cleaning, and space management to improve air quality in workplaces, schools, and homes. Here's a breakdown of the primary methods they suggest. Enhancing ventilation. Increasing ventilation is one of the most effective ways to reduce airborne virus transmission. The EPA suggests maximizing outside air ventilation by adjusting HVAC systems to increase fresh airflow. Redirecting airflows to minimize direct transmission, such as ensuring restrooms exhaust directly to the outdoors, can also help reduce recirculation of virus-laden air. The CDC recommends aiming for a ventilation rate of at least 5 air changes per hour, achieved through a combination of outdoor air and air treatment strategies. In cases where outdoor air alone isn't sufficient, particularly in older buildings or extreme weather, combining ventilation with filtration and air treatment can meet this target effectively. Increasing air filtration and supplemental air cleaning. In settings where ventilation alone doesn't suffice, air filtration and supplemental air cleaning play a crucial role. High-efficiency filters, such as MERV 13 or higher, capture smaller viral particles effectively. For areas with limited ventilation or high occupancy, portable air cleaners provide additional filtration, especially in spaces where HVAC systems have limited capacity. Advanced air treatment technologies. Beyond traditional filtration, advanced air treatment technologies like upper room ultraviolet germicidal irradiation, or UVGI, can further enhance indoor air quality. UVGI uses ultraviolet light to inactivate viruses by damaging their genetic material and can be particularly effective in spaces where ventilation improvements are limited. The EPA, however, advises caution with newer technologies that may produce harmful byproducts, such as ozone, as their safety and effectiveness may not be well documented. Administrative controls and space reconfiguration. Administrative controls and reconfiguring spaces can also reduce the risk of viral spread. Options like telework, staggering schedules, and remote meetings can lower the number of people sharing indoor spaces at any given time, limiting the use of small shared spaces, and reorienting workstations so employees aren't facing each other directly can also help reduce the likelihood of virus transmission. Hygiene and surface cleaning. Maintaining good air circulation is crucial, but so is regular cleaning of frequently touched surfaces and practicing good hand hygiene. The EPA and CDC both stress that routine cleaning and disinfection of high-touch areas can help eliminate viral particles from surfaces. Implementing these strategies will vary depending on a building's design, HVAC system capabilities, and occupancy. Consulting with an experienced HVAC technician can ensure proposed upgrades won't compromise a building's performance. Some older buildings may not handle high ventilation rates well, so alternative strategies that combine filtered and treated air may be more practical in those cases. The American Society of Heating, Refrigeration, and Air Conditioning Engineers provides resources such as Standard 241 to help organizations set appropriate ventilation and filtration goals based on building type and purpose. Ultimately, a healthier indoor environment requires a multi-layered approach. By combining technical measures like improved ventilation and filtration with practical administrative controls and consistent hygiene practices, we can significantly reduce the concentration of respiratory viruses indoors, creating healthier spaces in our workplaces, schools, and homes. As Joseph Goffman, Assistant Administrator of the EPA's Office of Air and Radiation said, in addition to immunizations, hand washing, and other preventative measures, promoting healthier indoor air helps to prevent the spread of respiratory viruses indoors. For additional guidance, the CDC and EPA provide valuable resources on ventilation, filtration, and virus prevention, enabling organizations to tailor their approach based on specific needs and capabilities. What is your organization doing to improve air quality in your workplace? Let us know in the comments below. Also, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons so you stay up to date on everything NASP has to offer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.